cute. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do your eyebrows using this pencil. You guys can use any pencil that you have around, but I'm honestly surprised by how good this brow pencil is. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute since I did my brows with brow pencil, and honestly I love doing my brows with brow pencil. It just looks more natural for my eyebrows because they're so light and I barely have any. So I already did this one off camera, as you can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this one with you guys. Obviously, anytime I'm starting my brows, I like to brush them upwards, just like that. Give them a quick, these birds. I'm gonna outline the bottom and then I'll outline the top. So I like to start in the middle, well, somewhat in the middle towards the end. I prefer to start somewhat in the middle towards the end, usually where my angle is, where the curve of my brow is. Just outline the bottom shape and then I'll slowly go in to fill it in. If it's your first time shaping your eyebrows with a brow pencil or a pomade or just black eyeshadow, well, not black eyeshadow, but any eyeshadow that matches your hair color, definitely do not be afraid to follow the shape of your brows, or don't follow the shape of your brow. It depends, what fits your face best. And now, as you can see, I'm just gonna go over. I like to tilt my head so I can see on top the angle. So I like to go over top. And I don't like to do outside of my brows too much because, again, I barely have any. So if I can, but personally I do not like to do that. So once I'm done outlining the curve right here, I'll go in towards the middle. And anytime I'm going towards the front, I'll go in with a lighter hand. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm honestly shaking. And then I'll go back towards the tail right here. And I'll go with my finger to see if anything's messed up. So yeah, don't forget to brush it out to distribute the product. And then I'll go back and add more strokes just to make it darker. Anywhere where I see it's a little too light, that needs some brow color. Okay, and then I'll go towards the front and just brush it up, because whatever product is up there will, eventually do its little thing and find its place. Don't be afraid if this happens, honestly. Do not be afraid, because you're probably like, holy shit, that does not look what's the word, clean or precise. But concealer is gonna fix that for you, so do not be afraid. Don't be afraid to go in with your finger and do a little bit of this. That's done for the brows. Honestly, highly recommend. This is a 12 out of 10. This, I think, would be my first place if I had to go and buy another one if I ran out. And for my second option, if you don't want to go online and buy this and you just want to find one at the drugstore because you're also buying other products at the drugstore, I would recommend the NYX brow pencil and another one. The NYX brow pencil is like, what, $9? And another brow pencil that I would recommend that I haven't tried, but I've heard many good things about it. That's all. It just be sold out all the time. Like, when are you guys gonna restock? Is the Morphe brow pencil for $5. They have it on their website, but usually my shade just be sold out, which is annoying. So now I'm going in with concealer. What concealer am I gonna use today? I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Does it match me? I feel like this is a little... Can they stop? Oh no, this is in the shade 330 Ivory. And then I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. So any flat brush that you have around, I'm gonna go in with this one that I have. Actually, no, I lied. I'm not gonna go in with that one. I am not gonna go in with that one. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush, and this brush is from the BH Cosmetics brush set. It's really cute. I love showing this off. Came with my pink bag. I love it. I'm gonna have the link down below where you can purchase it, because honestly I am in love. I like to put it on the back of my hand. By the way, this is my first time trying out this concealer, so we're gonna see how this goes. And for this process, I just need to be quiet. I cannot speak. So grabbing my flat brush, I'm gonna go in with some concealer right there. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here. Like, again, as yeah, I can't talk while doing this. And then I'm gonna pull the concealer down just so it can be distributed as a base for our lids. And then usually I'll have more product over here, so I'll just take some of that and bring it out. Okay, so as my first impression for this concealer, I really like it. For a cheaper version, you can go with the Eyebrow Pro concealer, or E.l.f. has some really good concealers as well. And then I just like to go in with my flat brush, whatever's left, and connect the ends to meet right here. Usually I don't like to use any product above my brows. I just like to leave it as it is. Sometimes if I am feeling like I want to use product and I want to fix any mistakes, I will, but I won't, and I'll just use anything that's left around the tail. And my friends, we have beautiful brows. Oh, so beautiful. And I'm just gonna go with my new beauty blender. This is it came in some really cute packaging. This is the Juno & Co microfiber. I've heard good things about this, but I've never really used it. You can buy this at Target for $6. I'm gonna use it and see what's the hype. Trains, bruh, please. Well, I can't really tell a difference because my concealer's already dried down right now, but let's see. Okay. Apparently it doesn't absorb like as much foundation, etc., like liquid stuffs, as normal sponges would. I seen a video, some girl cut it in half and like nothing was absorbed inside, and I was like, whoa. And the comments were like, I really love this sponge, etc., and I was like, okay, well, now I'm gonna have to try it. But another sponge that I would recommend that I haven't even tried, there's a lot of things that I recommend that I've never tried in my life, is the E.l.f. sponge. I've heard really good things about that one too. Hey, so these are the finished brows. Now I'm not gonna have a full face because I'm gonna be doing something else, but these are the finished brows. Oh my god, I love having beautiful brows. As somebody who does not have any, I love having beautiful brows. I'm obsessed. So this is it for the tutorial, guys. Hope you guys learned something on how to do your brows. Remember, as a beginner, do not be afraid to explore your brows, because I've had my brow phases. You guys are gonna have your brow phases, and then at some point you're just gonna come to, I don't know, you're just gonna come to a point and everything is gonna be, honestly, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm in love with my brows. I can't even talk. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, if you want to see me recommend more products that I've never tried before, let me know. Okay, so bye.